we have y is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5. To find the y-intercept, we let x equal to 0 and solve for y. So in this case, if I substitute for each x 0, I would get y is equal to minus 5. So our y-intercept would be equal to 0 and minus 5. Our graph gonna passes through this point. To find the x-intercept, you let y be equal to 0 and solve for x. So in this case, we have y is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5. So we have x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. And to solve for x, we can factor this. We have 1 and 5 minus and plus 1, minus 5 plus 1. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, or x minus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. So our x-intercept would be minus 1 and 0, also 5 and 0. So we find the x-intercept, y-intercept, and now we need to find the vertex. To find the vertex, we need to know the formula. X position of the vertex can be found using a formula. Anybody know the formula? Can you please post the formula for me if you remember it? If you don't know it, go ahead and put the X next to your name, please. Okay, I see Ali posted the formula. Christina, looks like you're typing. Martin and Tiffany, if you know the formula, please type it. If you don't, just put the X next to your name. Okay, I see Christina, you posted your answer. At this time, we cannot see each other's answers. So go ahead and post your answers, please. Martin, looks like you're typing. Tiffany, how about you? You need to know the formula for X position of the vertex. And so far I have one correct answer. No, the formula would be minus B over 2A. Okay, please make a note of this. You need to know this formula to find the x position of the vertex, minus b over 2a. So in this case, your b is equal to minus 4, your a is 1, and your c is minus 5. So here I'm going to substitute b for b minus 4, and a is 1. So this would be x position of the vertex, which is 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. Can I see a check mark next to your name if you follow up to this point? How to find the x position of the vertex? Just have to remember the formula, minus b over 2a, and substitute those. Now if x position of the vertex is 2, we can simply find what would be the y by substituting for each x 2 here. So you have 2 squared minus 4 times 2 minus 5. So the y position of the vertex would be equal to 4 minus 8 minus 5, which is equal to minus 9. Okay, so now we have the position of the vertex. Now, can somebody tell me whether this parabola opens upward or downward? Okay, I see the answers so far from Christina, Tiffany, and Ali. Martin, what do you think? The parabola opens upward or downward? Martin, are you saying upward or downward? I see you put a check mark next to your name. If you don't know, just put X next to your name so we can move on. To see if the parabola going upward or downward, yeah, everybody said upward, that's correct. And we know that because the coefficient of x squared, or a, is positive. If a is positive, a is plus 1, so the parabola opens upward. Well, let's just graph this parabola, see what we have so far. Okay, we know our y-intercept is minus 5. So our parabola going to pass this through point minus 5 in y-axis, and we also have the x-intercept. It's 5 and minus 1. Also, we know the vertex it's equal to minus 9 and 2. So let's extend this. Minus 9 and 2 would be somewhere around here. So now we have enough points to construct our parabola. You know, the vertex, the lowest point and we have the X and Y-intercept. So that would be the rough graph of the problem. The axis of symmetry would be the line that passes through the vertex, and it would make this whole parabola move it into half like this. So this would be the line of axis of symmetry. So this is axis of symmetry. So as you see, the problem would be like a mirror image with respect to that line. Now, can somebody tell me what is the equation of this line? Everybody should know what's the equation of this line now. That would be a vertical line that passes through point 2 on x-axis. Okay, everybody please write down your answer. We have an answer from Ali, Christina, Martin, I'm not sure what is that. Tiffany, how about you? You don't know. Okay, the vertical line that passes through point 2 on the x-axis, its equation is equal to x is equal to 2.